Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby. On the black side, punch out to the right with your left fist as you extend your left leg back, then turn and punch out to the left with your right fist as you extend your right leg back. Do this in the opposite direction on the white side. Now, both sides hop toward the center and lean in with the right arm out for the black side and the left arm out for the white side. Stay in this position on the white side while you stand back up on the black side and gesture to yourself in some way. On the black side, put your hand on your head and lean down and to the right. For the white side, stand up, bringing your right hand up near your head, then quickly lean down and to the left, letting your right hand move back and forth slightly. Put your left hand on your chest on the black side and stand back up, leaning to the left. Back on the white side, put your right hand on your hip and stand back up, leaning to the right. For the black side, put your right hand on your head and lean back down and to the right, then do the opposite on the white side. On both sides, bring both hands in to rest on your chest as you bring your feet together. Move your hands to either side of your face and turn your head in a counterclockwise circle. On the white side, step forward with your right foot and bend your right elbow, bringing your arm in front of your chest. Then move your right foot back and your right arm down before repeating this move on the left and holding the pose. For the black side, put your right hand on your chest and lean forward a bit while bending your knees slightly. Then lean back a bit before leaning forward and bending your knees again. Step in place with your left foot on the white side as you point to the camera. Then bring your left foot back and step forward with your right foot as you move your right hand out to the right, palm up. Bring your hands up to either side of your face again on the black side and turn your head in a counterclockwise circle again. Punch out to the left with your right fist while extending your right leg back on the white side. Then turn and punch out to the right with your left fist while extending your left leg back. Do this move in the opposite order on the black side. And lean down as before, but this time stand up on the white side and gesture to yourself. On both sides, jump slightly, bringing your feet together as you jump, then land with them apart. Repeat part 1. Repeat part 3. Repeat section 1 of part 4. For this section, I will describe the moves for the black side. The white side does everything in the opposite direction at the same time. Turn so that you are facing slightly to the right and cross your arms in front of you, palms facing in, then move your hands out to either side. Turn so that you are facing slightly to the left and point at the camera with your right hand, then tilt your head quickly to the right. Turn back to the right and point down with your left hand, then quickly lift your right foot up before bringing it back down. Turn back to the left and swing your right arm around, bringing your hand to your chest before quickly moving it out, then back in. Turn to the right and swing your left hand up to your chest as well, then push out with your chest. Turn to the left while moving your hands out to either side, keeping your elbows bent, then push out with your chest again. Bring your left hand down around from right to left, palm up, then punch up with your left fist before bringing it back down. On the white side, bring your right hand up near your face before bending down and to the left, leaving your hand to move back and forth a bit. On the black side, put your left hand on your head and bend down and to the right. Back on the white side, put your right hand on your hip and stand back up, leaning to the right. For the black side, put your left hand on your chest and stand back up, leaning to the left. Now both sides step toward the center and slide the other foot along, hopping up once both feet are together. Do this move once again. Next, both sides take 2 steps back to their respective sides. Now, on the black side, plant your feet and put your right hand on your chest, while, on the white side, you gesture to yourself. On both sides, jump slightly, and bringing your feet together as you jump, land with them apart. Repeat sections 5, 6, and 7 of Part 3. Repeat section 1 of Part 4. On the black side, bend down and to the right with your left arm up, while on the white side, you turn to the left, bringing your right arm up. Switch directions for both sides, bringing the other arm up. For the white side, punch forward with your right fist, then hop back, bringing your right foot back to where your left foot was as you punch out with your left fist, then move it over near your right shoulder. On the black side, punch out to the right with your left fist as you extend your left leg back, then turn and punch out to the left with your right fist as you extend your right leg back. Still on the black side, hop back toward the center and put your right hand on your head as you lean down and to the left. Do the same in the opposite direction for the white side. Now stand up on both sides and put both hands on your chest. On the white side, bring your right arm up and your left arm down, then turn them clockwise, stopping when your left hand is near your left shoulder. Move your left fist up and to the left and your right fist down and to the right. On the white side, step out with your left foot as you point to the camera with your right hand. Then bring your left foot and right arm back and your left hand forward before stepping out with your right foot, bringing your left hand back and pointing at the camera with your right hand again. On the black side, step out with your right foot, toes up, and bring your right hand flat against your chest as you tilt your head to the right. Next, bring your right foot back in and step out with your left foot, toes up as you tilt your head to the left and hit your chest twice with your right fist. On both sides, bring your hands up, then out and down before bringing them up to either side of your face and turning your head in a counterclockwise circle. For the next few moves, I will describe the moves for the black side. Do the opposite for the white side. Step out with your left foot and bend to the left as you move your arms in a counterclockwise circle, ending with your right arm on top of your left arm. Now stand back up, bringing your feet together and moving your arms in a clockwise circle so that your left arm ends on top of your right arm. Bring your left arm up and your right arm down. Move your arms in a counterclockwise circle again as you bend to the left, bringing your right arm out. Now the white side stays in this position, while on the black side you stand up and gesture to yourself. For the last few seconds, end with a pose.